Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the latest gadgets and accessories to help you make informed choices. Today, we're diving into the Adorve 5-pack stretchy bands, designed for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 and Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. These bands are compatible with the 40mm and 44mm Galaxy Watch 8 models, as well as the 46mm Galaxy Watch 8 Classic. They are crafted from soft, elastic nylon material, offering a unique combination of comfort and durability that's perfect for everyday wear or intense workouts. The design of these bands focuses on adjustable elasticity, providing a snug fit that prevents slipping while remaining gentle on your wrist. The one-click installation system makes swapping bands simple, so you can easily change your style without any hassle. The elastic nylon material is breathable and skin-friendly, effectively wicking away sweat and drying quickly, which makes it an ideal choice for long hours of wear, whether you're at the gym, running errands, or just going about your day. These bands also come with an adjustable buckle, allowing you to customize the fit to your wrist size for maximum comfort. This thoughtful design ensures that the band stays in place without feeling tight or restrictive. Beyond functionality, the bands offer a stylish, versatile look with a range of colors, allowing you to mix and match according to your mood, outfit, or occasion. This pack's stretchy bands are more than just functional accessories. They're built for people who want both comfort and style. They're lightweight, durable, and easy to maintain, making them a practical addition to your smartwatch collection. If you're looking for an affordable way to refresh the look of your Galaxy Watch 8 or 8 Classic, these bands deliver both quality and versatility. So, if you want a comfortable, reliable, and stylish way to upgrade your Samsung Galaxy Watch experience, this stretchy bands could be exactly what you need. That's it for today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more in-depth reviews and the latest product insights.